Aufbau principle is only approximately true. What is the evidence that the Aufbau principle is only approximately true? According to Aufbau principle, the order of filling electrons is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p. Well-established fact, half-filled and full-filled orbitals are very stable and are preferred whenever possible. Some common exceptions to the Aufbau principle are chromium, atomic number 24. Expected configuration according to Aufbau is 4s, must be filled before 3d. Argon 3d4, 4s2. But we know that 3d5 is much more stable than 3d4, so one electron from 4s goes to 3d to make the final configuration as argon 3d5, 4s1. Copper, atomic number 29. Expected configuration according to Aufbau is 4s, must be filled before 3d. Argon 3d9, 4s2. But we know that 3d10 is much more stable than 3d9, so one electron from 4s goes to 3d to make the final configuration as argon 3d10, 4s1. Molybdenum, atomic number 42. Expected configuration according to Aufbau is 5s must be filled before 4d. Krypton 44, 5s2. But we know that 45 half-filled is much more stable than 44, so one electron from 5s goes to 4d to make the final configuration as krypton 4d5, 5s1. Gold, atomic number 79. Expected configuration according to Aufbau, 6s must be filled before 5d and 4f. Xenon 4f14, 5d9. 6s2. But we know that 5d10 full-filled is much more stable than 5d9, so one electron from 6s goes to 5d to make the final configuration as xenon 4f14, 5d10, 6s1. Palladium, atomic number 46. Expected configuration according to Aufbau, 5s must be filled before 4d. Krypton 48, 5s2. But we know that 4d10 full-filled is much more stable than 4d8, so two electrons from 5s go to 4d to make the final configuration as krypton 4d10. Silver, atomic number 47. Expected configuration according to Aufbau, 5s must be filled before 4d. Krypton 49, 5s2. But we know that 4d10 full-filled is much more stable than 4d9, so one electron from 5s goes to 4d to make the final configuration as krypton 4d10, 5s1.